with another short today. We're about to be unboxing STOCKX shoes today. Before we get too far into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that post bell so you can be notified when I drop another video, another short, anything that I post. Let's get into it. Game. So let's open this box. Let's see. I hit y'all back when I open the box. So you guys got the box open. Let's get into these shoes. Hey. Look at them. They're so cute. Look at the detailing. Oh, these are so cute. I love these so much. But y'all know your girl gotta put it on though. So I can flex now. I love my shoes so much. So. But if y'all like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you be notified when I drop another video, another short, anything that I post. Let's get it.